Welcome to another napkin folding demonstration from animatednapkins.com. This video teaches you how to fold a napkin to resemble a boat with sails, often called the Bird of Paradise fold. Start with the napkin pre-folded as a square. Fold the 4 loose corners up over the middle to make a triangle. Then fold in the 2 loose edges to meet each other and tuck their tail ends under the napkin. Arch the center up to grip these 2 tail ends, and then lift each corner up in turns to make the 4 sails above the boat. For more information about this napkin fold and many others, please visit animatednapkins.com.